our physics paper second, dielectrics and electromagnetism. Dielectrics and electromagnetism. And our first chapter is, we have to study about the paper second. Are you getting my voice? Paper second, dielectrics and electromagnetism. Dielectrics and electromagnetism. Paper second. Now, from this paper second, we are starting today our first chapter, first unit, capacitance and dielectrics. Capacitance and dielectrics. These are the topics which are already seen by you, or in just introductory information you have in 11 and 12. Now, what is capacitance? For what purpose it is to be used? That we have seen. Capacitance have the number of applications. Capacitance is used in DC power supply. Capacitance is used in DC power supply. DC power supply. To avoid the spark, we can use the capacitance. Or capacitance store the charge. It can store the charge, but at comparatively low potential. At comparatively low potential. And now we have to see here how the capacitor has to be constructed or how it can work there. Dielectrics means the insulating materials. Dielectrics are the insulating material. Are you getting my voice? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we have the conductor like this, suppose here we can consider the conductor like this. Conductor means the which can allow the electric current to flow through it. Now this is conductor like copper, aluminium, gold, silver, that we can see this is the conductor. Now when the charge is given to the conductor, suppose we can provide the charge to the conductor. The conductor can hold this charge. The conductor can hold this charge and it remains there. That we can see here. We can further add the charge to the conductor. It is also accepted by this conductor and it remains on this conductor here. In this way, we can continue to provide the charge to the conductor like this. Now see here, after this what happens? This charge, that suppose here, we can see that we can provide the charge to the conductor, but now this charge cannot be held by this conductor, and that escapes, the charge escapes to the environment, or we can say here it is to the surrounding here. Now this means this much amount of charge is only held by the conductor. Beyond this, if the charge is added there, then that charge cannot be received by this conductor. It escapes to the ground or to the surrounding or to the environment here. Certain amount of charge, what we can see here, the certain amount of charge can stay here on the conductor, and beyond that the charge cannot be remains there, but it is escapes to the ground or to the surrounding here. And this ability of the conductor to hold a charge, the ability of the conductor to hold a charge is called as capacity of the conductor. That we can see here. The ability of the conductor to hold a charge is called as capacity of the conductor. बघा आता तुम्ही इथे समजा 1 coulomb of charge ला नंतर 2 coulomb charge ला 1 coulomb, suppose 1 coulomb is added here, then we can see here up to this is the limit here then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 coulomb it can hold. For the 9 coulomb that escapes to the surrounding here. And this is the ability of the conductor. And this ability of the conductor to hold a charge is called as capacity of the conductor. This is the qualitative definition of the capacity of the conductor here. What we have seen here, the ability of the conductor to hold a charge is called as capacity of the conductor. Do you get this? समजले? असं नाही की तुम्ही कितीही अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज त्याच्यावरती तुम्ही स्टोअर करू शकाल. एक सर्टन लिमिट असेल, अप टू दॅट सर्टन लिमिट you can hold the capacity, the conductor can hold a charge here. Now then, this capacity of the conductor depends on shape and size of the conductor. Yes, Sunil Barela, have you any problem? Sunil Barela. Sunil Barela, are you listening me? Unmute yourself and ask or say what is your problem. Now, capacity of the conductor depends on shape and size of the conductor. Means whether it is spherical, cylindrical, plane, etc. Size of the conductor also affects the capacity of the conductor here. Now, nature of the conductor. Nature of the conductor, which that is we can see here whether it is polished or not, or some other things, or which material it has to be, that we can that affect the capacity of the conductor here. Now, presence of the surrounding object. Presence of the surrounding objects also affects the capacity of the conductor here. Now, we can remind here, what is capacity? The ability of the conductor to hold the charge is called as capacity of the conductor. On which factor the capacity is to be depends? Shape and size of the conductor, nature of the surrounding medium, nature of conductor, nature of the conductor, presence of surrounding objects. Now, we can see here, when the charge is given to the conductor, the potential is developed on it. Suppose here we have the conductor, and when the charge is given to it, we know that the charge produces electric field around it. And this electric field is described by the quantity that is known as the electric potential. That is known as electric potential. Now, this electric potential depends on the charge. How much charge is given to the conductor? On that factor, the potential is there. That means the potential depends on the charge on the conductor here. That we can write here, Q is directly proportional to V. There is linear relationship between charge and potential. Linear relationship between charge and potential. As charge increases, the potential on the conductor is also increases. Now, we can write here then Q is equal to C, where C is constant of proportionality. Then we write here C is equal to Q upon V. C is equal to Q upon V. C is the capacity, Q charge, and V potential developed on the conductor. Capacity is equal to charge upon potential. Capacitor is equal to charge upon potential. That we write. This relation is important here. C is equal to Q upon V. This is the basic relation for this capacitance. Now then, unit of this capacitance, or we can first define quantitative definition for capacity here. Quantitative definition for the capacity. How we can define it quantitatively? Now here, C is equal to Q upon V. Capacity of the conductor is defined as the quantity of charge required to raise its potential by unity. To raise its potential by unity. Now this is the quantitative definition of capacity of the conductor. Quantity, or you can also define it like this. Capacity according to this formula. Left hand side la काय capacity of the conductor. Capacity of the conductor is defined as, on the right hand side it is ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of charge to the potential. Ratio of charge to the potential. Or you can say capacity of the conductor is defined as the quantity of charge. Quantity of charge required to raise its potential, by unity. By unity. This is the quantitative definition of capacity. Now then, unit of the capacity is farad in SI system. Now, 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb. That is, unit of the charge is coulomb. Therefore, we write here 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. That means the conductivity of the conductor, is 1 farad when the potential of, when the charge of 1 coulomb given to it, when the charge of 1 coulomb given to it rises its potential by 1 volt. Again, we can repeat here, the capacity of the conductor is 1 farad when the charge of 1 coulomb rises its potential by 1 volt. That means when the charge of 1 coulomb given to the conductor, and its potential is rises by 1 volt, then the capacity is to be 1 farad. जर तुम्ही 1 coulomb एवढा चार्ज दिला कंडक्टर वरती, समजा कंडक्टर असेल, and when 1 coulomb of charge is given to it and the potential developed on the conductor is suppose 1 volt, then we can say the capacity of this conductor is 1 farad. Now what is capacitor then? What is capacitor? Can you remember what is capacitor? What is capacitor? What we have seen in the last topic here, when the charge is given to the conductor, the potential on the conductor is increases. When the charge is given to the conductor, the potential on the conductor is increases. As charge increases, the potential is increases. And suppose we have to add here the high charge here, large amount of charge, then the potential is also becomes high here. तुम्ही जास्तीत जास्त चार्ज ला म्हणजे पोटेन्शियल सुद्धा कसं राहील त्या ठिकाणी हाय राहील. And it is risky to handle. It is risky to handle such a high voltage device. It is risky to handle such a high voltage device. That is, you are familiar. When the potential is higher, can you easily handle that device? आपलं नेहमीच्या कॉमन याच्यामध्ये आपण बघतो, जर पोटेन्शियल हायर असेल तर आपण तो डिव्हाइस इझिली हँडल करू शकतो का? कॅन वी हँडल दॅट डिव्हाइस इझिली? समजा एखादा डिव्हाइस असेल त्याला 330 व्होल्ट आहे त्याचं पोटेन्शियल, कॅन वी हँडल दॅट डिव्हाइस इझिली? और दॅट कंडक्टर वेअर द पोटेन्शियल?
No, sir.
नो, इट इज रिस्की. तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी शॉक लागेल, त्या ठिकाणी शॉकची भीती तुमच्या मनात असेल, लक्षात. देयर इज अ फिअर ऑफ शॉक. दॅट इज इट इज रिस्की टू हँडल सच अ हाय व्होल्टेज डिव्हाइस. And now we have to store the high charge. Are you getting this? What is the problem here? When we know that the conductor can hold the charge, but at the same time the potential is developed on it. तुम्ही कंडक्टरला चार्ज दिल्यावरती त्याच्यावरती पोटेन्शियल डेव्हलप होत आहे. मग तुम्हाला लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज जर इथे स्टोअर करायचा असेल तर पोटेन्शियल सुद्धा कसं होणार आहे या ठिकाणी? हाय पोटेन्शियल होणार आहे. And it is risky to handle then this conductor, but we have to store the high charge. We have to store the high charge, but its potential should not be high. Its potential should not be high. We have to store the high charge at a comparatively low potential. And that's why we have to find here the arrangement to store the high charges at comparatively low potential. And that arrangement is called as the capacitor. Now see here, what is capacitor then? Capacitor is an arrangement. Now see here, capacitor, we can define here it like this. Capacitor is an arrangement which stores high charges, at comparatively low potential. At comparatively low potential. रीड करावर डेफिनेशन तुम्ही कोणीतरी अनम्यूट करा आणि वाचा. Read this definition.
The arrangement which stores high charges and comparatively low potential
Right,
is
good.
called as capacitor.
Capacitor. इथे फक्त at आहे हा. It is not and, it is at. We know that this capacitor store the high charges, but at comparatively low potential. Now, capacitor, how we can develop them? there are two conducting plates, metallic plates. Two conducting plates are separated by the dielectric material. Very simple one. There are two conducting plates. Suppose here we consider copper plate. Here this is copper plate or aluminum plates, and these plates are separated by dielectric material or insulating material. That are insulating material. And these arrangement form the capacitor. Capacitor consists of two conducting plates separated by the insulating material. Insulating, or we can call here dielectric materials. Now in this way we can design or make the arrangement for the capacitor. Simply there are two conducting plates, two metallic plates, and these plates are separated by the dielectric material. Now, let us we have to explain the concept of capacitor, how it works, how the potential on the capacitor is lowered, how the potential on the capacitor is lowered. That we have to see here. Now let us see here, we have two conducting plates A and B. We have two conducting plates here shown by these red lines. Two conducting plates A and B, and these plates are separated by dielectric material. These plates are separated by the dielectric material that we have shown here. This is the capacitor. This is capacitor. Two conducting plates separated by this dielectric material. Suppose its dielectric constant is to be K here. Now then, suppose the charge is given to the plate A, positive charge. Positive charge is given to the plate A. Now we know that in dielectric material, there is the induction of the charges. Therefore, here it develops the negative charge. Here it develops the positive charge. Here it develops positive charge. Here it again develops negative charge. Here again develops the positive charge, and here finally negative charge. That is, in this way, when we provide the positive charge to the plate A, negative charge is induced on the near side of the plate B here. Now we can add the positive charges here like this. In this way we can provide the charges to the plate A here. That induces negative charges on the plate B here. Here we have seen. And here these charges are neutralized to each other. This negative charge neutralized by this positive, this negative neutralized by this positive. That's how we can show here only the charges. That is, negative charges are induced on the near side of the plate B here. But here the positive charges are induced on the far side of the plate B. Now here, when this positive charge is given to the plate A, it develops some potential on the plate A. It develops some potential on the plate A. This negative charge induced on the near side of the plate B also develop the potential on plate A, but it is negative, and therefore it reduces the potential there. Due to these negative charges, the potential on the plate is reduced. But again, here are positive charges. These positive charges are also develops the potential on plate A, and this further increases the potential on plate A. But see here, the negative charges are nearer to the plate A than the positive charges. And therefore, the effect is of these negative charges. And therefore, there is reduction in the potential on the plate A. There is reduction in the potential on the plate A. Now see here, these positive charges develop some potential. These negative charges cause to reduce the potential, and these positive charges increases the potential, but these negative charges are nearer. Hence, there is reduction in potential on the plate A here. Do you get this? In this way, the potential, we are storing the same amount of charge here, but at comparatively low potential. आपण एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊन समजूया. समजा पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज असेल on this plate A, suppose that develops the potential is of 10 volt. That develops the potential of 10 volt. इथे समजा चार्ज तुम्ही काहीतरी दिला असेल त्या ठिकाणी 10 coulomb or suppose 15 coulomb that we can consider. That develops the potential of 10 volt. Now, these negative charges develop the potential of suppose minus 4 volt here. That minus 4 volt. Therefore, the potential becomes then 10 minus 4, that is 6 volt. That is 6 volt. Again, suppose these positive charges develop some potential supposed to be 2 volt. And then finally, the potential on plate A is 8 volt. Potential on plate A is 8 volt. इथे 10 volt potential develop झालेलं होतं. And now, because of this arrangement, the potential then reduces to 8 volt. There is a reduction of 2 volt. This is only example. This is only example. तुम्ही लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ मध्ये रेड्यूस करू शकतात. फक्त आपल्याला इथे एवढं समजून घ्यायचं आहे की पोटेन्शियल इज डिक्रीजेस. Potential is reduced here. Are you getting this example? Our aim is to reduce the potential, but storing the same amount of charge. म्हणजे आपण इथे 15 coulomb एवढा चार्ज ठेवलेला आहे आणि पोटेन्शियल किती आलाय 8 volt. Now suppose further this plate B is earthed. Plate B is earthed here. Earthing दिली आपण याला. Plate B is earthed. Then what happens? Or it is grounded here. These positive charges are then grounded. That we can see. These positive charges are grounded. And as these positive charges are grounded or earthed, there is the only effect of these negative charges, and hence there is further reduction in the potential. There is further reduction in the potential. Now see here, plate A has given the positive charge and plate B is earthed here. And in that case, the potential is reduced here. Now see here, what you have seen, because of this 15 coulomb of charge, the potential developed on the plate is 10 volt. Due to these negative charges, that minus 4 volt is developed here, and we get 6 volt. and due to these positive charges 2 volt, but now see here there are no positive charges here, and that's why its effect is not there, and that is why we can see here we are getting here the potential of 6 volt. Potential of 6 volt when the plate B is grounded. That means there is further reduction in the potential. म्हणजे बघा आपण या ठिकाणी प्लेट बी ज्या वेळेला ग्राउंड केलेली नव्हती. Now see here when only one plate, that is A, is present, the potential is of 10 volt. When the plate B is present and which is not, and when it is not grounded, then the potential becomes 8 volt. But now as the plate B is grounded, the potential reduces to 6. That means from 10 volt to 6 volt, there is reduction in the potential. 10 volt वरनं potential आपल्याला किती मिळालेला आहे? That becomes 6 volt. There is reduction in the potential. समजलंय how the potential on the conductor is reduced? Simply by making the parallel arrangement of two conductors separated by the dielectric material. हा इथे ब्ल्यू कलर ने दाखवलेला आहे बघा या ठिकाणी. लक्षात आला तुमचा कॅपॅसिटरचा कॉन्सेप्ट? Yes or no?
हो सर. हो
Can
सर.
anybody explain what is capacitor? What is capacitor? What is capacitor? नाही आलं लक्षात. कॅपॅसिटर काय करतो? फंक्शन काय कॅपॅसिटरचं? टू
Store high charges.
स्टोअर हाय चार्जेस. बरोबर आहे. स्टोअर हाय चार्जेस
Comparatively to the low potential.
बरोबर, राईट, गुड. तर कंपॅरेटिव्हली ऍट लो पोटेन्शियल. कारण कॅपॅसिटर तुम्ही जर फक्त हाय चार्जेस स्टोअर करायचं म्हटलं तर त्या ठिकाणी बॅटरीमध्ये पण हाय चार्जेस असतात. आपण बॅटरीला कॅपॅसिटर म्हणू का? बॅटरीला आपण कॅपॅसिटर म्हणणार नाही, कारण बॅटरीमध्ये पोटेन्शियल हाय असतं. लक्षात? त्यामुळे आपण बॅटरीला कॅपॅसिटर म्हणू शकत नाही. बघा कॅपॅसिटर मध्ये पण चार्जेस स्टोअर असतात आणि बॅटरी मध्ये पण चार्जेस स्टोअर असतात. दोघांमधला फरक काय आहे? दोघांमधला फरक काय आहे?
बॅटरी मध्ये हाय पोटेन्शियल असतो आणि कॅपॅसिटर मध्ये low.
राईट, व्हेरी गुड. ठीक आहे, समजलं आजच्या लेक्चर मध्ये?
हो सर.
हा,
Yes sir.
एखाद्याने स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन जर तुम्ही याला टाकला ग्रुपला तर चांगलं होईल. जरा मोबाईल वरनं तुम्हाला स्क्रीनशॉट घेता येत असेल तर बघा.
मी घेतले सर.
हा, ठीक आहे, आणि ग्रुप वरती टाकून द्यायचं. हॅव यू एनी डिफिकल्टी देन इन टुडेज लेक्चर? काही अडचण
नो
नाही?
सर.
नाही सर.
Can we stop here then? Because we
Okay,
have
sir.
only,
Yes, sir.
1 minute we have left only. तुम्हाला जर काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल, अडचण असेल तर सांगू शकता तुम्ही.